Hi everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Shriram Grand City project, which is located in Uttarpara, Kolkata. So friends, this is the project location. It's an under construction project. As here you can see, the construction work is going on in full swing. This project is built across 314 acres of land and carries 24 number of blocks with 15 floors each. This project offers 1, 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. It's a residential cum commercial project by Shriram Properties. It also offers commercial shops and office space. The possession of this project will be given by December 2020. So this is the view of construction site. Thank you for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.